Hey guys, I just wanted to quickly do a video covering the quadrilateral family since in both classes today it was kind of rushed and I don't know that I really did the best job of getting all the information out to you. So I just wanted to make a quick video just to kind of touch the high points so that you have them at your disposal. So on the left there we have the trapezoid family. Alright, trapezoid family is part of the quadrilateral family, but it's its own thing. All right, trapezoids have one pair of parallel lines, parallel sides. So that's trapezoid. The official definition, as we had talked about in class, is a quadrilateral with one pair of parallel sides. And in one of the classes we talked about how that could look different, where you could have a four-sided shape that looks like this, for example, and that could be a right angle, but then the markings here show that they're parallel. That would be a trapezoid as well. All you're looking for is one pair of parallel sides. And just as a side note, that also could be the Jawa sandcrawler if that's something you're interested in. I'm still working on my design there. But anyway, moving on, let's go to the parallelograms. Parallelograms, all right, that's here. That's a pretty decent representation of a parallelogram right there. And a parallelogram is a quadrilateral with two sets of parallel sides, right? So we've got the set here that is parallel, this one right here. Those are parallel. These are parallel. And then you have this one that's parallel to that one, right? So two sets of parallel sides. Our opposite sides are parallel would be another way to say that. And then from there, underneath the parallelogram tree, you have the rectangle and the rhombus. The rectangle is a parallelogram with four 90-degree angles. And that's pretty much the best definition of a rectangle. Rectangle is a parallelogram with four 90-degree angles. I'm going to pause and write that down. That's a good idea. Rectangle is a parallelogram with four 90-degree angles. And then we move over to the rhombus. A rhombus is also a parallelogram, but it has four congruent sides. All right, so that's a big one there. That four congruent sides makes it what it is. So four congruent sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. Four congruent sides. Parallelogram with four congruent sides. And then the last parallelogram, and everybody's favorite, is the square. All right, a square is a parallelogram with four 90-degree angles, but also four congruent sides. So basically, in a crazy way, it's parts of rectangle, parts of rhombus. It's a rectangle, or it's a parallelogram with four 90-degree angles and four equal sides. So I hope that kind of helps pull together the quadrilateral family for you. If you look below this video, there is a homework assignment, and it's not too hard, just like 2 questions to answer, if you got to my blog, which hopefully you did. Alright guys, bye.